Welcome to this tutorial on how to find photos and videos you're tagged in on Facebook, organized by date. This is especially useful if you want to revisit memories from specific times or manage your digital footprint more effectively. First, open Facebook on your desktop PC and log into your account. Once you're logged in, click on your profile photo located at the top right corner of the page. This will open a drop-down menu where you can access various settings. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy, and then click on Activity Log. This section allows you to view and manage all your Facebook activities, including posts, comments, and tags. In the activity log, look to the left-hand side and click on Activity You're Tagged In. This will show you all the posts, photos, and videos where you've been tagged. To narrow it down to just photos and videos, click on Photos and Videos You're Tagged In. Now, to organize these by date, click on Date at the top of the page. You'll see options to choose a specific time period. Select the dates you're interested in, and then click Save Changes. This will filter the content to show only the photos and videos you were tagged in during that time frame. This feature is incredibly useful for tracking down memories from special events or periods in your life. Whether you're looking to reminisce or simply want to ensure that your online presence is consistent, being able to filter by date makes it much easier to manage. By following these steps, you can efficiently find and review all the photos and videos you've been tagged in on Facebook, sorted by date. This helps you stay organized and in control of your digital presence. Thanks for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful.